Welcome to what I'm doing right now. More karaoke in the cave of mine. For all you Parrot Heads, man, this is for you. The man, the myth, the legend. I'm gonna miss him. Great live shows, obviously, as he had his following for sure. Jimmy Buffett with his most famous song, Margaritaville. What the hell? Let's be happy today, okay? Nibbling on sponge cake, watching the sun bake. All of those tourists covered with oil, strumming my six string on my front porch swing. Smell those shrimp, they're beginning to boil. Wasting away again in Margaritaville, searching for my lost shaker soul. Some people claim that there's a woman to blame, but I know it's nobody's fault. I don't know the reason I stayed here all season. Nothing to show but this brand new tattoo, but it's a real beauty, a Mexican cutie. How it got here, I haven't a clue. Wasting away again in Margaritaville, searching for a lost shaker soul. Some people claim that there's a woman to blame. Now I think, hell, it could be my fault. I blew out my flip-flop, stepped on a pop top, cut my heel, had to cruise on back home. But there's booze in the blender, and soon it will render that frozen concoction that helps me hang on. Wasting away again in Margaritaville, searching for my lost shaker of soul. Some people claim that there's a woman to blame, and I know it's my own damn fault. Thanks, guys. It's fun for me. Hope you enjoyed it. Peace.